How do I unblock messages or contacts?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a common problem many of us encounter: how to unblock messages or contacts on your phone. It's quite simple once you know the steps, and by the end of this video, you will.
Why would you need to unblock a contact?
Sometimes, you may have blocked a contact by mistake, or maybe you've resolved an issue with a person you previously didn't want to communicate with. In such cases, unblocking that contact becomes necessary to resume communication.
How to unblock contacts on an iPhone?
1. Open Settings. Click on the Settings icon on your iPhone. It's a gray gear icon usually found on your home screen. 2. Scroll down and click Phone in the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the Phone option. It's typically towards the middle of the list. 3. Tap Blocked Contacts. Under the Phone settings, you will see a Blocked Contacts option. Tap on it to view all the contacts you've blocked. 4. Swipe and unblock. Find the contact you wish to unblock. Swipe left on the contact, and you'll see an Unblock button. Tap on it to unblock the contact.
How to unblock contacts on an Android phone?
1. Open Phone app. Tap on your phone app, where you usually dial numbers to make a call. 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. 3. Tap on Blocked Numbers. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Blocked Numbers. You'll see a list of all the numbers you've blocked. 4. Unblock the contact. Next to each blocked number, there's a X or Remove option. Tap on it to unblock that contact. That's it. It's really that simple to unblock messages or contacts on your phone. Now you can freely communicate with anyone you choose, and more importantly, you know how to manage your blocked contacts. Remember, these steps can vary slightly based on the model of your phone and the version of your operating system. Always refer to your device's specific manual for the most accurate instructions. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.